everybody! Happy Montessori Monday! Today is February 5, 2018 and it's already 9:30 in the morning and my students are outside doing their circle time with my team teacher. Today is our evaluation day in language and I will be evaluating my students in beginning and final sounds of CVC or consonant, vowel, consonant words. It's just a 3-letter word, so it will be easy for them to determine the beginning and the final sounds. And I will be using the large movable alphabet and I will be showing it to you how I administer the oral evaluation to my students. I'm sorry if I have eye bags and I look so tired because we have a new puppy and it has been keeping me awake for 2 nights in a row now. I need to sleep, but then again I cannot because it's still crying, it's still whining, and I believe it still needs his mom. So now I'm spending my time here inside my little boy. He's playing his train while waiting for the others to to finish our circle time. My table is surprisingly clean. Next week, we will be having our Valentine's party and we are very excited because today we will be drawing lots for our secret Valentine's friend or secret Valentine friend. And they will be bringing a gift for their friend next week and we will exchange it and we will be having pizza, we will be watching a movie and maybe some games and storytelling. So I'm really looking forward for next week. And after that, the next day we will have our field trip. So you will come with us and you will I will show you how we have our field trip here in the Philippines and it's going to be so much fun. So now I'm just going to clean up my table so that I will be ready when it's my time to do the evaluation. So bye guys, see you later. This is a huge cup of hot coffee and I need this so bad. So I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast for a few minutes before I go outside. Cheers! This is tin. Tin. That's the beginning sound of tin. Okay. Is it this one or this one? T. Okay. Get the dog. And the final sound is tin. What's the final sound? Where's me? Is it this one or this one? Okay, good. Tin. So here, this is ha, hen, pa, g, peg, and b, at. Okay. Hen. Hen. at the bottom. There. Yan. So, we are finally done with today's evaluation. And I'm so proud of my kids because they were able to answer all the evaluations correctly. However, some still needed a few reminding of the sounds of the letters. But then, I'm so happy because they were able to do the beginning and final sounds. Surprisingly enough, 2 of my students were able to identify the medial sounds of the CVC words that I gave them this morning. So, just a background. Montessori education or the Montessori method teaches the sounds of the alphabet and not the names of the letters. So, instead of saying A, B, C, D, E, we say it as A, B, K, D, E. When the students have mastered the sounds of the alphabet, they will be able to read CVC words. This morning, I reviewed beginning and final sounds with my students, and 2 of them were able to identify the medial sounds, which is very difficult to hear because it's at the middle. So, for example, if it's bat, the child would be able to identify the beginning, which is B, and bat, T, as the final sound. But most kids are deaf with the medial sound. They don't know or they cannot hear the medial sound A. But 2 of them were able to hear it and they were able to spell out the CVC words that I gave them. So, I'm very happy because when a child has already understood the beginning, middle, and final sound, it will be much easier for them to spell it out and read it. Overall, today was a good day. However, unfortunately, 2 of my students in Casa 2 were absent because they were sick. So, I was only able to evaluate 5 of my students because they are just 7. So, probably by tomorrow, if they will be back, I will be doing that again. I think I will be ending today's Montessori Monday, and I will be posting on Thursday for my very first Tipster Thursdays. So I hope that you like today's vlog, and I hope that you're excited to see my next tip on Thursdays. Thank you once again for joining me today, and I see you next week for another Montessori Monday. Goodbye!